Good morning. Now we see the most safe speed of vehicle along bank curve road. This question may be asked for 3 marks, and this can be asked as derive an expression for maximum safe speed of vehicle moving along a banked curve road. So we can derive an expression for the velocity of vehicle along the bank curve road. So consider a bank curve road. This is bank curve road. This is horizontal surface. This is angle of banking theta. This is actual road surface. And suppose a vehicle is moving along this bank curve road. Suppose this is vehicle. This is the center of gravity of vehicle. Let m be the mass of vehicle, r be the radius of this bank curve road, v be the velocity of vehicle which is moving along this bank curve road. Now the forces acting on this bank curve road are: number 1, weight of the vehicle which is acting vertically downward direction, means mg. This mg is the weight of vehicle which is always acting vertically downward direction, that is towards the center of gravity. Second is normal reaction. This normal reaction is perpendicular to the actual surface of curved road. This is actual surface of curved road, and normal reaction is perpendicular to this actual surface. This is a normal reaction. Now this normal reaction can be resolved into two components. That is, one is upward component, means n cos theta, and second is horizontal component which is parallel to the horizontal surface of the road. This horizontal component is n sin theta. This is n sin theta. So first component is of normal reaction is n cos theta, which is acting vertically upward and opposite to that of the weight. Second component is n sin theta, which is directed towards the center of curve road. It means that we can write forces acting on vehicle are: number 1, normal reaction, n; number 2, weight of vehicle, mg. This acting upward direction, this acting in downward direction. This normal reaction resolved into two components, that is n cos theta and n sin theta. Now from figure we can write this upward component n cos theta balances by the weight of the vehicle. It means that n sin theta, from figure we can write n cos theta, first we write n cos theta is equal to mg, and horizontal component n sin theta. This n sin theta is directed along the radius towards the center. It means that it provides the centripetal force, and this is equal to mv square by r. From these two equations we can write n sin theta upon n cos theta is equal to mv square upon r upon mg. This mm get cancelled, nm get cancelled. Then sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. This is v square upon rg. This is expression for tan theta, and therefore v square is equal to rg tan theta. Now from this equation we can write the formula for maximum speed, that is v is equal to under root rg tan theta upon bank curve road is V is equal to under root RG tan theta. From this equation we can again derive or write the formula for angle of banking. That is angle of banking theta is equal to tan inverse under root V square upon RG. This is formula for angle of banking from this equation. Now this is most safe speed of vehicle. If the vehicle is driving with this most safe speed, then there is no problem. But sometimes the vehicle may be driven along with the speed greater than this required speed or less than this required speed. Then what will happen? And therefore we have to derive here the speed limit for vehicle. Means it may be greater than this or it may be less than this. If it is greater than this, then the centripetal force may be greater. If this speed is less than this required speed, then the required centripetal force is smaller. And that's why we have to find here the speed limit for vehicle moving along the bank curve road.